Hello everyone, I am Neeraj Chaudhary. Once again, I am back with a new Excel function that is called index and match function. Index and match function in Excel is a powerful combination used to look up value in a table or range by matching criteria across the different rows and columns. First, let's learn index function. Index function return the value of a cells in a table or range based on the rows and column numbers, and its syntax is equals to index bracket start array comma row number comma column number. Let's learn what is the array. Array, this is the range of cells or array from which you want to retrieve the value. And row number, this is the row number within the array from which you want to retrieve the value. And the column number, this is the column number within the array from which you want to retrieve the value. So let's see, here we have some example of data where we have putted index function formula by providing a seventh row and fifth column numbers. The index function can pinpoint the exact cells within the specified range and return the value. So this formula will return the result as a 120 as it selects the value in the seventh row and fifth column of the table. You can see here the seventh row 1 2 3 4 5 6 and seventh row and fifth column 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is how you can use index function. So let's move to learn match function. Match function, this function searches for a specified value in a range and returns the retrieved position of that items, and its syntax is like equals to match bracket start lookup value comma and lookup array comma and match type. So let's learn what is lookup value. This is the value you want to search for within the lookup array. What is lookup array? This is the range of cells which you want to search for a lookup value. And what is the match type? This is an optional argument that specifies how Excel should match the lookup value with the values in the lookup array. So here have some condition. If match type is one or omitted match, then finds the largest value that it's less than or equal to lookup value, approximate match. And if the match type is 0, match finds the first value that exactly equal to lookup value. And third one is, if match type is -1, match finds the smallest value that is greater than or equal to lookup value. So this is how the syntax is match function. See, here we have some example of data, item description and quantity. Here we have used the match function. We have our lookup value is here induction stove, which is, see here we have some example of data where we have used match function. So first here we have put it formula as a equals to match, and then lookup value is induction stove and comma, and then lookup array, and then match type is exact match is 0. So let's see here we have put it induction stove and the range is A2 to A7, A2 to A7. You can see here it's induction stove is in fifth row 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here result is occurred as a 5. So this is the one dimensional. Another one is also we have column wise data. Here we have some example of data. Here we have put it a match function where lookup value is 1627 and the range is this. So here you can see then 1627 is situated in third column, 1 2 3. So this is how match function works. By providing induction stove in a column A to find a fifth row, by providing 1627 in a row 3 to find a third column of matching. So one more condition to apply on lookup array. Lookup array would be always multiple rows and one column in match function, and multiple column and one rows, multiple rows in one column and multiple columns in one rows. So in this basis match function works. Now let's move to learn index and match function is a versatile, efficient and more robust than traditional lookup function in Excel. It is widely used for a complex lookups and search in Excel. It is a powerful combination is used to look up value in a table based on multiple criteria. So its syntax is like equals to index array comma match lookup value comma lookup array comma and match type. So similarly it's array. This is the range of cells that contains the value which you want to retrieve. Lookup value, the value you want to find in the lookup array, and then lookup array, the range of cells that contain value which you want to match, and the match type. This is an optional argument that specified how Excel should match the lookup value. So let's start to learn practically how this function works practically. So let's see here. If you use equals to index bracket start, now it's asking to select the array would be here, is here to entire data comma. Now it's asking to row number this time would be 7 and column number would be 5. So is 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and column number is 5 1 2 3 4 5. So result is 120. This is how you can use index function. Now let's move on to learn match function. Match function, here first you can use equals to match. Lookup value would be this time induction stove, okay, stove double quotation close comma. Now it's asking for lookup array. So lookup array is this one and match type is 0, exact match. Close the bracket and hit the enter. You get the answer is a fifth. How it's fifth? Because this is induction stove is contained in the fifth column. You can see first, second, third, fourth and fifth, this column. So this is how match function match row function works. Now see how this function work in a column. So here match bracket start, and this time lookup value would be 3430 3430 3430 comma, lookup array this time is this one, and match type is again 0, and close the bracket and hit the enter. See, you can get the answer as a 3. This is how you can use a row and column with match function. You can see one more time here, match lookup value again, this time you can choose anything, mango, double quotation close, and lookup array this time entire one row multiple columns, and match type is 0 na 0 0. You can see 6. You can see here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth position of mango. So this is sixth position of mango. So this is how you can use match function. Now you can see column match bracket start, and this time also lookup value would be mango, double quotation close, lookup, select the lookup array, and 0 for exact match, and close the bracket and hit the enter. You can get the answer as a 6. If you want to change from mango to orange, the column number it would be 2. If you want to change here induction stove, the result is changed is 11. So this is how match function works. Similarly here you can also try, if you change like anything, mobile phone, ninth, so ninth position is of mobile. So this is how you can use match function. Now let's learn how index and match function works together. Index and match function is a powerful or robust function in Excel. So now let's learn practically. So its syntax is like equals to index bracket start. Now it's asking to select the array would be entire data, select the data, and now comma. Now it's asking for a raw number, so raw number would be match function, match lookup value this time would be a salesperson name, so select salesperson name and comma. Now lookup array this time is entire salesperson name, raw, and comma, and then 0 for a exact match, bracket close, comma, again match function, bracket start, and this time lookup value would be month, and comma. Now this time lookup array would be month row column, and comma, 0 for exact match, and close the bracket and hit the enter. You get the answer as a 22,036 which Aryan has raised their sales in June month. If you want to check, you can see here Aryan has raised their sales in June month 22,036. If you want to choose some other name as Catty has raised their sales in June month, that is 58,825. If you want to choose here in another month March, she has earned 72,079. If you want to choose February, she has earned 79,483. If you can choose here another name, that is Krishna has raised their sales in Feb month, that is 14,583. If you see Mohan has raised their sales in February month 84,424. You can select. So seems this formula is working fine, and in this basis you can use this index and match function together. You can use index and match function. Index and match function, combining index and match function, these two functions, you can search for a specific value in a table or range and returns a value from another column in a same row. This method is more flexible than VLOOKUP because it's allowed you to search in any directions, horizontally or vertically, and not just from the left to right. Benefits of index and match: it can perform both vertically and horizontally lookups. It does not require the lookup column to be the left, unlike VLOOKUP. It is more versatile and robust, especially when dealing with large data sets or when the lookup column might change. In summary, the index and match function in Excel is a dynamic way to search for a retrieved data based on a specific criteria in a table or range. So hope you guys have enjoyed these classes, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel. We'll meet you in the next video with the next interesting topic, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.